Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we have another Korean skincare haul and I'm always so excited for these. I love skincare, I love Korean skincare especially. I just think it's so fun and so different to any of the mainstream skincare that you see. I just really enjoy it. I've never had a problem with it. It's never broken me out. It's never given me like bad skin or anything. Like, it's always just worked for me. So I really enjoy trying out new Korean skincare products. So that's what we have today. Before we get into it, I just want to thank STYLEVANA for kindly gifting me these products to share with you guys. I've been trialing them out for about 2 weeks now, and I thought for this haul I would show you guys what I'm liking the least to liking the most. Not that the least products I am not enjoying, I'm just kind of ranking the products from like up into my favorite. I do have a discount code with STYLEVANA. I'll leave all the details down below and the code right here for you guys if you guys want to go shop some new skincare and try out some new things, or maybe try out some of my favorite products from there in this haul. Well, don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I would love to have you here. Now let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing we have is this one here, and this is from Keep It Cool. It's the Soothe Bamboo Mini Kit. This is really cute. It's just got 3 minis in it. The reason this is at the, like, I want to say like the end of my haul. I should have done best to like, I don't know. Anyway, the reason this is ranked at last is because I haven't tried it yet. I thought I would keep it for, I don't know. I just wanted to try out the other things, but they're just little minis, and it comes with a Keep Cool and Soothe toner, which is this little one here. How cute are these? These would be great for travel. I mean, not that anyone's really traveling. Well, in Australia we're not really traveling at the moment, we're in a lockdown right now, but yeah, these are the cute little minis. We've got the Keep Cool and Soothe toner, the Keep Cool and Soothe serum with 66% bamboo, and that's what that little one looks like. Maybe I could try these out, like try them until they're finished. Maybe like how much would be in that, maybe a couple of weeks, I don't know. Let you guys know what it's like. Let me know if that's something you'd be interested in. And then we have the Keep Cool and Soothe lotion here, which is so cute. These are such cute little bottles, and I love the packaging as well. Really cute. It would be great for travel, also for little gifts if someone's just getting into skincare. I think that would be a really good like start off for skincare. So that is that one here. I think the brand is just Keep Cool, but yeah, super cute. Got a little panda on the front. I believe these are all bamboo products as well, so they've got some sort of bamboo in them. Actually, let's see. Yeah, calming and repairing. Oh, we've got a little thing here. Yeah, it's all got a percentage of bamboo. Oh, these are actually really good. Dermaclear soothing ingredients, 7-layered hyaluronic acid in the lotion, 66% bamboo water in the serum, and 4.5% centella, which is really good for soothing the skin. I love centella at night because my skin gets really hot during the day and I just get puffy, so yeah, that'd be really nice. And then we've got 85% bamboo water, high and low molecular sodium hyaluronic acid. Yeah, really good ingredients in these actually. Vegan friendly, cruelty free and fragrance free. That's so good. We love that. Also, before we continue, if you guys like my little background up here, I decided to film upstairs again because the lighting downstairs is so bad. There's no natural lighting. Well, it's very like shadowy downstairs, so we're upstairs. Alright, and the next product we have is the Isntree Real Mugwort Clay Mask. I've tried this once. I actually tried it out in a vlog, so if you've watched that vlog, I think it would have been the last one I did. It was in there, but this is what the packaging looks like. I really like this packaging. It's super nice and sleek and just pretty. I feel like all Korean skincare has really nice packaging. Anyway, keep going, shall. This is good for, it's an exfoliating serum, strong sebum care, refreshed and exhausted skin. I haven't tried this enough to completely review it for you guys, but from when I did try it, it was really nice and like almost blurred my skin. It was nice and exfoliating. It's got like a slight beady, let me turn my exposure down. My cat's outside because she kept clawing at my plant while I was filming. But yeah, it has got quite a nice exfoliation to it, and it left my skin kind of blurred and just very clear. So yeah, I will continue to use this. You'll probably see it more in some vlogs. Alright, and next we have this one here from Barrier Solution. This is the Real Barrier Extreme Cream. I really enjoyed this. It's a super thick cream. I'm not usually a thick cream kind of gal. I do love like a lotion or a gel cream, but I have been looking for something a little bit thicker just because it is winter here and my skin has been getting really dry really easily. So I've been wanting something that's a little bit thicker to use at night. So this was a really nice addition to my skincare routine, and it comes with a little spatula, which I really appreciate in skincare products because I hate dipping my finger in. But yeah, this is what it looks like here. I've used quite a wee bit of it. Well, not quite. I've probably used it like 4 or 5 times, but yeah, you don't need much of this. You just lather it onto skin. It creates like a barrier over your skin and kind of locks in hydration. So I have been loving this. Right, so it says this rich cream was developed for those who require serious skincare with long-lasting moisture benefits that are derived from a combination of specialty ingredients that helps repair a damaged skin barrier. Apply appropriate amount to the entire face direction, all of the skin texture, and wrap the face with both hands to promote absorption into the skin with the body temperature. But yeah, this has been really nice, especially just to give me a little extra boost of hydration at night and lock it all in. I've been really enjoying this one, so we're going to continue to use that in our winter nighttime skincare routine. Alright, and then the next one we have is from Thank You Pharma. How beautiful is the packaging? It's gorgeous. But this is the True Water Deep Serum. Again, another really hydrating product that I've been enjoying. Let's read a little bit. How pretty is this bottle though? So gorgeous. Love the look of this on my bathroom bench. Looks beautiful. But this one here says a deep hydrating serum with a unique texture that moistens the tired and dried skin as the morning dews moisten the earth. After using toner, gently apply an appropriate amount into the face and neck. I used this morning. I've been using it again for about 2 weeks, and it's just super nice and nourishing. This gives you that really glass-like effect to your skin once you first apply it. It gives you that really nice wet, dewy glass, yeah, like you see in a morning dew and like the grass and stuff like that. I feel like that's the kind of effect it gives you to your skin. But yeah, really beautiful serum and super nourishing as well, so has been a really good addition to my skincare collection during winter. I'm loving it. And then the last product we have is my favorite product from this little haul, and this is the Mist Serum Bulgarian Rose Water from Hamish. Again, stunning packaging, absolutely beautiful. But this has been my favorite product out of this haul, and it is this here. This is like a just like a mist. Let's spray a little bit now just because it's so nice. Yeah, it's basically just like a skin finishing mist. I use it in my skincare routine, and also after I've applied my makeup. It just gives the most beautiful glow to the skin. I love a really dewy look on my skin because I do use a lot of powder because my skin can look really oily if I don't, especially when I'm filming. Like for example, today I put a crap ton of powder on, but this is really nice over the top. It just kind of softens that a wee bit. I've also been using it after my toner as well, morning and night. If I feel like my skin is feeling a little bit rough or dry, it just really softens my skin and just makes it feel hydrated and plump and beautiful. So yeah, if there's one product out of this whole haul that I recommend you guys to purchase, it is this one here. It's so beautiful and just makes your skin feel super soft and like baby skin. Makes my skin feel like my son's skin, Archie's skin. He's 1 and he has the most gorgeous skin. So yeah, I absolutely love this product. But yeah, my top 2 favorites were definitely these 2 of this haul. Not only is the packaging beautiful, but the product inside is really, really gorgeous as well. This has quite a lot of strong rose scent to it. It doesn't last on the skin, it does go away, but yeah, if you don't like rose, maybe they have another. I wonder if they've got any other ones, maybe. But yeah, absolutely love these 2 products, and the other products are good as well. Like I said, I really enjoy Korean skincare. It works really well with my skin, and it's just so simple, and it's always really beautiful as well. So yeah, but that was my little STYLEVANA haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, I'll leave all the links for my discount code down below. And if you guys want to pick up any of these products, you can get a little money off. Let me know as well down below if you guys would like to see like a Korean skincare routine where I use all of the products, not just these ones but also other ones that I've got. Let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing like a little evening or morning skincare routine using my Korean skincare products. But yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to go and check out STYLEVANA. They do makeup, they've got body products, skincare products, just all the goods, so go check them out. But I'm going to end this here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.